Greetings from the black holes of Dakota Territory, United States of Advertising. Stan Gibilisco here, proprietor and operator of amateur radio station W1GV, Whiskey 1, good vibrations, with audio test number 5. What I'm using here now is the Gigaware a microphone combined with a headset that I stole from the Hewlett-Packard Envy desktop computer downstairs. Don't you think Envy is kind of a stupid name for a computer? I mean, this is just my opinion. Because although when I bought it, it might have been quite enviable with 6 cores and about 1.5 terabytes of, I don't know, it was a big hard drive. 10 years from now, it'll be a laughing stock, but they'll still call it the Hewlett-Packard Envy. I guess one would envy anybody who could get rid of it by then. That's the nature of computers. But this is just an audio test, is what I'm doing here. The other headset microphone combination was a little bit tinny, I thought, and so did at least one of my viewers. But what I'm illustrating here, just for test purposes, is a full wavelength straight wire antenna fed in the center with open wire line like ladder line, transmatch, 50 ohm coax to radio, a classic antenna known as 2 half waves in phase. And there's a reason why they call it that, and I think I may have been into that in another video. Mainly the purpose of this video, though, is just for you to analyze the quality, the tone quality of my yammerings, more than the content of my yammerings. But I am trying to provide some content, too. The current distribution, the RF current distribution along an antenna like this, looks like that. It's not a sine wave shaped pattern like you might expect, but rather it's like two half wave dipoles placed end to end and fed together in phase. So you get basically the same directional pattern as you would with an ordinary half wave dipole, but with sharper, stronger main lobes. You'll learn about that if you go to the ARRL handbook. I recommend that to everyone, that they get it at least every 5 years and preferably every year. It's a massive tome. You could hit somebody over the head with it and probably seriously kill them. Yes, very seriously kill them. It's a big, massive book, and they'll describe this or the ARRL antenna book. That's the end of audio test number 5. I think I've yammered enough. So, as an amateur radio operator, I will tell you 73, which means best regards in ham radio jargon, and so long. Di-di-di-da-di-da.